imagine guiding your customers to feel the excitement of owning your product before they've even made their purchase. Mental simulation guidance triggers the brain's reward anticipation system, causing customers to visualize the incredible benefits they will experience. By activating the dopaminergic pathways in the nucleus accumbens, this method mirrors the satisfaction of actually using the product. Process simulation steps customers through a detailed experience of your product's usage. Outcome simulation paints a vivid picture of the end benefits and results they desire. Using cutting-edge AR and VR, create dynamic visual elements that fully immerse your audience. Strategically space these experiences over time using temporal sequencing to maximize engagement. Research reveals dopamine release in anticipation far exceeds reactions to the actual reward. This technique allows customers to experience your product's benefits in their imagination. Such vivid, imagined satisfaction motivates customers to purchase beyond mere feature descriptions. Neuromarketing techniques using mental simulation predict customer behavior with up to 80% accuracy. Start harnessing one of the most scientifically validated approaches in modern marketing.